So guys, today is Tuesday, the 15th of July. So I took this trade here, this particular trade here. Took this particular trade, gold sell. So I took it on my $10 to $1,000 challenge. So I took this particular trade, and because the news was coming, by 1:30. The news was coming by 1:30, so I just did I did 1:2. I did 1:2. I don't want to do too much. So that was on my $10 to $1,000 challenge. So I did 1:2. But on my funded next account, I actually took a sell here. I took a sell here before the news. Then it stopped me at break even. Then immediately the news played out, then I saw the bias changed to a buy. So I entered the buy. Automatically, I got stopped out. I was in massive profit, like up to $50 and above, but I got stopped out, losing $20 plus. So as you can see, this is the 6K account, still floating well. I haven't lost too much. So guys, I'll be trading this account and documenting every single thing on passing this 6K funded next account. Today is Thursday. How you guys doing? So documenting my trade on Wednesday, I showed you how our trade is doing. I think we took an SL on that particular trade on the gold sell. I also sold US oil, where you can see here we took an L also on US oil. But right here, look at the trade we took on our $10K to $1,000 account. This is the particular trade. We hit TP on the $10, but on the funded next we hit stop loss. This was after the news. So we hit stop loss on this particular trade on same Wednesday. So Thursday, which is today, so on our $10 to $1,000 challenge, so we are particularly at I think $40 plus or $40. You can see up here, particular $40. So this was the trade. This is where I took my profit. So we did, I think I was using 0.02 on the trade. So on Wednesday we were up 20, I believe $22. Then Thursday we're up $40 plus. So right here, I'm still on this trade on my CFTM. I'm still on this trade on funded next. I'm still on this trade. So this is the news. The news already played out. Cause you spike downward. So I took this trade. I also took this particular sell on the funded next 6K challenge, but my stop loss was very, very tight. That stop loss was so tight, so it took me out. So after the news, I'm entering for a buy again to see if this is actually going to go according to plan. So look here. I don't think this is going to buy. But anyway, risking 50 pips. So I'm risking $60 on this particular trade. So I think this was $50. No, it was 60. Okay, so I'm risking $50 on this particular trade. So hopefully on Friday we are actually going to take another trade on the $10 to $1,000 challenge. So let's see how it's going. So if you want to join me on this challenge, make sure you comment down below. If you want to join me on the $10 to $1,000 challenge, comment down below. And I'm using Exness as my broker. I'm using Exness for this particular challenge. Make sure you click the first link in the description or check the pinned comment. For the link to create an Exness account, and check the description for the step-by-step process on how to create an Exness account. And if you're a beginner also who want to start this particular challenge, make sure you click, is it here or here? Okay, make sure you click on this particular icon here. You will see a video on how to trade the forex market for a beginner, opening an Exness account, opening an MT4 or MT5 account. Oh, you can see we are up in profit, guys. We are up in profit in this buy trade I took on this funded next account. So we are up in profit. So 1:3, we're targeting 1:3, nothing more, nothing less. So guys, tomorrow is Friday, wrapping up the week. So we are actually going to see how we end the week. Are we in profit? Are we in loss? Are we in a high percentage or no? So guys, stay tuned. Let's watch and see what this market has for us. Peace out. Quick trade update on our gold buys, and that is it for today's trade. You can see we smash 150 pips, 1:3, easy peasy. After taking the sell on our $10 to $1,000 challenge, so I took the buy on the funded next challenge, as you can see here, straight directly to take profit. So we close at, I believe, $180 right here. So we are still coming back to break even. I think we need $100 more to come back to break even. I later traded gold, which was a very big mistake. You get, so I was supposed to, I closed the account with 5999 something. Sure, you understand? 599 something. So I went to trade the account again, and I brought the account back to 5,700 and something. Back. That was my mistake. I should have just left the account like that, then trade back on this thing on Monday again. So guys, the reason I'm putting this phone this way is because I did not buy this thing. I forgot to get this tripod for car. So one lesson you guys need to know, you need to learn how to trade once a day. You understand? You need to learn how to trade once a day. Even if there are thousands of opportunity you can see online, you need to really learn how to trade once per day. Wallah, it's going to help you. Even if the trade turns out to be good, turns out to be bad, but at least trading once a day is it's like you'll be very consistent with trading once a day. That's the mistake I'm making. So on our $10 to $1,000 challenge is still there. I'm almost approaching $100 by the grace of God. Next week I'm going to approach this thing $100. So from there I'm going to scale up very fast. So but I don't know what it looks like. I'm putting more effort, or I'm putting more focus on trading the $10 to $1,000 than me trading this particular prop firm, because prop firms with their rules and everything, man, it's kind of crazy. But I'll keep on documenting the process on how I pass this particular challenge. So it's a $6,000 prop firm, and I'm supposed to make, I think
8%, which is $480 on the account. I don't know why I'm finding it hard to pass this account. But anyways, by the special grace of God, I'm actually going to pass this account and I'll be documenting every single thing here for you guys. Don't worry. So guys, I'm just going out, driving around and, enjoying the view. Let me show you guys my view.